teacher, and this is Nuon Uteytithya, and I'm going to present about my personal project recipe app. So today we have the agenda. We have the app feature, app architecture, and the app demo. In the app feature, what my app want to do is to help the student of CDT to plan their meal, especially since they don't have too much time during the day or at night, with customizable recipe that they can input by themselves, and it also have the feature of having instruction and detailed ingredient being there. Next up is about the implemented feature that I did. So what I did is basically a CRUD operation of the recipe with image and the recipe scaler according to the serving size. About the uniqueness is my app is very easy to use, and the scaling for recipe is also dynamic, so they can see what happened in front of them in real time. So and also it have the offline capability, so you don't need the internet to use it. And one last thing is it create your own recipe. Next up is the architecture. We have the recipe where it contains a list of the ingredient as to the right, and in the recipe it has a lot of attribute that is very important to building a recipe, such as the step for instruction, cook time, prep type, cook time, the image path, the imagery of the food, and last but not least, the function for total time, where you can add up the prep time and the cook time. For the widget of the mobile application, we have a root class of recipe app, and in here we have scale recipe screen and recipe font that is stateful, and below that we have mostly stateless widget that is coming from the root class. Now it's demo time. So in here we have our main the home screen, where we can scroll through the recipe, and this is the feature recipe. Next we have the recipe scaler. We can select our scale, and then we can set it up to like 6, and then it will calculate upon it. Next up is the listing for the recipe, and also we have the create button for the recipe, where we can add image. So here we can add an image, but in the emulator there's no imagery at all. And that's it mostly. And also we can delete the recipe and check the favorite.